Do you ever feel like you're stuck in your 9 to 5, just going through the motions, working hard, but never truly moving forward? Every day felt like the same struggle, time slipping away while you are dreaming something of more freedom, more control, more life. Maybe you have felt that same pull, dreaming of having a side hustle, or even leaving your 9 to 5 job, or building an online business as a complete beginner. Now, what if I told you there is a way to start something real? Something that doesn't require you to create your own product or stocking inventory or even having countless hours of work in front of a computer. Now, that's what affiliate marketing did to me. It has given me a way to earn by sharing products that I truly believe in while building a future on my own terms. Now, want to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner? Then you are at the right place. My name is Manogar, and in this training tutorial series, I'm going to show you how to get started with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. And I'm going to discuss about what is affiliate marketing, the pros and cons of affiliate marketing, and how to get started with affiliate marketing, and the common affiliate marketplaces and my favorite ones. Most importantly, the best strategy to earn while you sleep. And I also am going to dive deep into the strategy like no other. And also the last component, which is the traffic. So, which is going to be the most important, because without traffic, you're not going to succeed in this online business. Now, this is going to be a long series of 10 to 15 training tutorial videos. So please subscribe so that you don't miss any or part of this video in this entire series. And also, in order to get full value out of it, just click on the subscribe button below this video in order to get notified whenever I upload my videos. Now, something that is extremely important, and before we are dwelling into this strategy of how to do affiliate marketing. Now, why is affiliate marketing the best business model online available? Why would you choose affiliate marketing over other proven business models like dropshipping, Amazon FBA, or even coaching or consulting or even freelancing? Now, when it comes to making money online, affiliate marketing stands out. Unlike Amazon FBA or dropshipping, you don't need to have any headaches about inventory management or dealing with the shipping or even the customer complaints. And unlike freelancing, you don't need to trade your time for money. With affiliate marketing, you just need to simply promote the products you truly believe in and earn passive income while you can enjoy your freedom. It is low risk, scalable, and gives you the freedom to earn while you sleep. If you're looking at the smartest way and the best option for a beginner to start an online business, then affiliate marketing is the way to go. Now, these are the topics that we are going to cover in this entire training tutorial series of what is affiliate marketing, pros and cons of affiliate marketing, how to get started with affiliate marketing, number one strategy to earn while you sleep, and traffic. So please stay tuned till the end so that you don't miss any topic. Now, in this part one of this training tutorial series, we are going to see what is affiliate marketing. Now, first and foremost, let me give you an analogy of what it is. So, if you are someone who is a property owner, for example, and you're trying to sell this property and you're looking for potential buyers out there, you will need to go through a middleman or a property agent or property realtor who will act as a person who will negotiate between you and the buyer. He will be the communicator between your asking price, and he will get the offered price by the buyers, and in turn he will communicate with you. And once the deal has been transacted, that's where the commission comes in, which the middleman takes it, or the third party in this case. So the same happens when it comes to affiliate marketing. So here the middleman, which is the affiliate over here, the companies are the ones who are going to provide you with the products. And here the buyers are a potential group or the audience. So unlike in the property realtor where we are going to deal with a single buyer directly, here in affiliate marketing, we are going to deal with a group of potential customers or buyers. So that's where we as an affiliate, once a sale happens, we get the commissions. Now let's learn some of the most important terminologies that is used in the affiliate marketing business. First, product vendors. Now, product vendors or the product owners, they are the individuals or companies which offer products or services to the public in exchange for monetary compensation. So the next one is affiliates. Now, affiliates are the middlemen, as we discussed earlier. So they are officially attached or connected to an organization, a subsidiary group, or a single person. Now, what do you mean by officially? So once they are approved, the affiliates are approved by the product vendors to promote their products. That's where they are given their affiliate links. Now, what is an affiliate link? An affiliate link is a specific URL that contains the affiliate's ID or username. Now, this is very important because this affiliate link is unique for each affiliate, and that's how the product vendor knows which sale has come from which affiliate based on the affiliate's ID or username which is available in the specific URL. Now the last term is affiliate marketplaces. Now these are platforms which showcase a wide array of different affiliate products. Some will require product vendors approval while others are guaranteed approvals. Now that's all for this part 1 of this training tutorial series. Now in the next part 2 of this training series, we are going to discuss what are the pros and cons of affiliate marketing. And I would request you to not to miss that next part 2, because where I'm going to show you the hard truths and naked truths of affiliate marketing before embarking onto it. Now we have come this far in this tutorial video. So if you are someone who is genuinely interested and want to learn step by step, then I would request you to check out this video over here, which is how to succeed in affiliate marketing with solo ads, where I will walk you through everything of building an affiliate marketing business right from scratch, step by step. Even a 12-year-old with a basic computer knowledge can understand and implement it. So please go and watch that video and you will enjoy it, and at the same time you can learn a lot from it. So if you are interested, please check that out. The links are down in the description box below. But if you have enjoyed this video over here, please give it a thumbs up. That's all I ask. And at the same time, if you really like the content, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notifications in order to get the very first notice whenever I upload my videos. So with that being said, let's meet in the next part of this training tutorial series. Until then, bye.